Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going on a wild adventure to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, look at this big, strong lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Lion roars. Roar! Here's a playful monkey. Monkeys love to climb trees and eat bananas. Can you make a monkey sound? Monkey chatters. Ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. Look, it's a mighty tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. And they love to run fast. Can you growl like a tiger? Tiger growls. Grrr! Wow, a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes that make them special. They love to run in groups. Can you gallop like a zebra? Great job, little explorers. Today we met a lion, a monkey, a tiger, and a zebra. They are all amazing animals. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.